I am Lakshmi Charitha. I am from Srikalahasti, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in the year 2023 from SV College of Engineering, Tirupati in the stream of ECE. From my college days, I am very much passionate about embedded systems. I have searched in Google and I have joined in IIES. From IIES, I got knowledge on C, C++, data structures, Python, Linux, and embedded C. Hands-on experience in LPC 1768 and 8051. With the help of placement team, I got placed in L&T with 4 LPA. I would like to thank all IIES staff and management for helping me to get placed.